Here's an online job side hustle you can start today as a beginner. You can make $1,000 to $3,000 per week and you do not need any prior experience. Here's what you need: smartphone, Wi-Fi, and 1 to 3 hours per day. If you have those, then great. There's no creating products, holding inventory. You do not need to do cold calling. You do not need to do a customer service. And fortunately, you do not need to bother friends or family or even recruit people. And you don't even need to show your face on social media if you don't want to. First, go to Amazon.com and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you get to the Make Money With Us section, you're gonna go ahead and click on Become an Affiliate. Scroll through Amazon and choose the kind of products that you want to promote. Let's say if I want to promote this stick-up cam, you're gonna go to the top and then you're gonna click on text and then you're gonna copy this link. From there, you can start promoting the product from your social media accounts. Or you can go to Pinterest and create a pin. Add a picture, a title, and a brief description. And more importantly, paste this affiliate link from Amazon. Whenever someone clicks and buys through your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. If you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, which makes ordinary people bank thousands of dollars every single day, comment learn and I will send you a DM with a copy of my free 7-step blueprint.